Raise your hand if you can tell me how to find the percent of a number. How to find the percent of a number. Shh. Raise your hand, Tyson. Here, tell me.
It's like 0, like when it's like 0. When it's like 0.9, not like 0.9, but like, and then you go over.
I want to find. Let's see what does Miranda have to say. Change what to the decimal? What is that number though? You change the percent to a decimal, and then what do you do, Miranda? No. Damien.
You change the percent into a decimal, then you times them together.
Then you multiply, and then you have your percent. So today we're going to talk about that, but I want to ask you this. If you go to McDonald's and you order a drink, the drinks are $1, right? All drinks are $1. So I want to ask you this. You order your drink,
Hamburgers.
and you go through the drive-thru and you go to the window. Do you hand them just $1?
No.
Why?
Tax.
Because of tax. Because of sales tax. And tax is a percentage. Tax is a percentage. So in Wagner, we have $1. For every $1, it's 9 cents. So when you go to that drive-thru window and you ordered a drink, it was $1. And so your total was $1.09. If I have 9 cents, a percentage of tax, that's 9 cents, 9%. How do I change that 9% to a decimal? Brian? 9% to a decimal. DP, that's our clue, right? And so we use that clue, and what is 9% as a decimal? .09. I love that. That is so true. So when we order something at, let's say we go to McDonald's and we order several things, everybody's eyes up here, our total became, it's called a subtotal, is $14.92. That's how much everything we got added up together, but we have not added the tax. So our tax is 9%, and Mahogany, what is 9% as a decimal?
0.09.
0.09. So I'm going to take 0.09 and I'm going to multiply that. I get 1.3428. Okay, so we're looking at 1.3428. Dakota, what is 1.3428 as money?
1.3428. Don't pay.
Because that doesn't really look like money to us, does it?
No.
$134.28.
Okay, so let's think about that. If we say $134, so you go and you spend $14.92 on food, do you want to spend $134 on tax? No, because we're going to say, I don't want that food. So what is this decimal as money? 1.3428. Does anybody have an idea, Damien? Do you have an idea?
No, not really.
Tyson,
Huh? Oh.
do you know what that would be as money?
Right there.
Right here. $1. We know that's $1, right?
$1.34.
And 34 cents. $1.34. What if this said 348? What would we have to do? would round,
So
it would be $1.35. But it is $1.34. That's our tax.
Why do you lick like
So that is our tax. And we said what? When we drive through the drive-through and it's $1 on a drink, we don't pay just $1, do we? We pay $1.09. What did they do with that tax? What did they do with that $1 and that tax? They what? Well, they do give you change, but what? They added it. You add the tax. So first you multiply your decimal. You turn your percentage into a decimal. You multiply. Once you get your answer, you change that to make sure it looks like money. And then you add it to your subtotal. Now, this is your total bill. I would have to pay $16.26. Does everybody understand?
Yep.
Okay, I want us to start writing this in our journals.